Ethical web design principles are the moral and professional guidelines that shape how websites are created. These principles ensure that websites are built honestly, transparently, and with respect for every user. Instead of using manipulative tactics like fake urgency or hidden options, ethical design puts the user's needs first. For example, an ethical site will show real stock numbers instead of fake only one left, alerts, and will always provide a clear, visible unsubscribe button. The goal is to help users achieve what they want safely and comfortably, building trust and long-term relationships. The heart of ethical web design are several key principles. Transparency means being honest about your website's purpose, how data is collected, and what features are offered. Privacy and data protection require that you only collect what's truly necessary and always respect user information. Accessibility ensures everyone, including people with disabilities, can use your site. Usability and clarity keep navigation simple and easy to understand. Inclusivity and fairness mean representing diverse audiences and avoiding bias. Finally, accountability reminds designers to take responsibility for how their choices impact users. Ethical web design isn't just about having good intentions, it's about putting those values into practice. This means always designing with the user's comfort and needs in mind. Avoid dark patterns that trick users into actions they don't want, like hidden fees or forced signups. Be upfront about cookies and tracking, and make sure your site meets accessibility standards like the WCAG. Use visuals and language that are inclusive and culturally neutral. And of course, always secure user data with tools like HTTPS and encryption. These steps help translate ethical values into real, user-focused actions. World of web design is always evolving, and so are the ethical challenges designers face. Today, data ethics is a hot topic, balancing personalization with privacy and minimizing unnecessary tracking. Accessibility is now a legal requirement in many places, making compliance with standards like WCAG and ADA essential. Sustainability is also gaining attention, with designers optimizing sites to reduce energy use. There's a growing movement against dark patterns, pushing for honest and transparent interfaces. Inclusive design is more important than ever, reflecting both cultural and physical diversity. And digital well-being is a new focus, aiming to prevent addiction and promote balance online. Let's look at some clear examples that highlight the difference between ethical and unethical web design. Ethical sites ask for cookie consent, while unethical ones track users without permission. Adding alt text for images supports accessibility, but ignoring disabled users is unethical. A visible cancel button is honest UI design, while hiding or confusing options is not. Ethical websites show the total cost up front, while unethical ones hide extra fees until the last moment. Finally, giving users easy ways to delete their accounts shows respect, while making deletion impossible to find is manipulative. Truly understand ethical web design, it helps to spot unethical patterns in real websites. For example, some sites use fake timers to rush decisions, force users to sign up before browsing, or hide extra fees until checkout. The first step is to identify these patterns. Next, think about how you can redesign the experience to be fairer and clearer. This might mean removing fake urgency, making signups optional, or showing all costs up front. By applying principles of fairness, clarity, and transparency, you can transform a manipulative design into one that respects users. Once you've identified unethical design patterns, the next step is to redesign them ethically. Start by making all options clear and easy to find, no more hidden buttons or confusing navigation. Use straightforward language and avoid manipulative tactics. Make sure users can easily unsubscribe, delete accounts, or change settings. Present your improved version and explain how it's better, it's fairer, more transparent, and puts the user in control. This process not only improves the user experience but also builds trust and loyalty over time. Ethical web design is about more than just avoiding bad practices. It's about building trust, inclusion, and fairness in every aspect of a website. When users know they have control over their data and can use a site comfortably, they're more likely to return. Ethical design decisions promote honesty and respect, making the web a better place for everyone. As technology evolves, designers must keep adapting, always protecting user dignity, privacy, and well-being. This ongoing commitment is what sets ethical designers apart and ensures the web remains a safe, welcoming space. Sum up, ethical web design is all about putting users first, ensuring honesty, transparency, and respect in every interaction. It means designing websites that are accessible, inclusive, and secure while avoiding manipulative tactics. By following these principles, designers help users achieve their goals safely and comfortably. As the digital world changes, staying committed to ethical practices protects user dignity and builds lasting trust. Remember, ethical web design isn't just good for users, it's good for business and for the future of the internet.